How to delete Facebook's old profile picture on Facebook page. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to easily delete your old profile pictures on your Facebook page. Go ahead and open up your Facebook application first and make sure that you're logged in with your page's account. So you can just go ahead and tap on the switch icon. So this is my main account, and if I have to switch over to my page, I can tap on the drop down and then simply switch over here. So once you get here, all you have to do is go to the menu icon and then tap on your profile. So if I tap on my profile picture and then view my profile picture for the page, I'm able to see all of my previous profile pictures. So let's say if I want to delete this particular picture, what I can do is tap on the three dots and then tap on delete photo. But if you don't find the option here, you can scroll down and find the photos option. Then tap on see all, go to your profile picture, and here you'll see a list of all of your previous profile pictures. So let's say if I want to delete the initial letter, I can tap on this, tap on the three dots, and then tap on delete photo. If I delete this and go back, as you can see here, I only have these two photos now. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.